Okay, so I thought what I would do is I would show you kind of a drawing of how this whole thing goes together with the actual parts. So we've got here is we've got the aluminum block showing the 6/32 set screws, which are actually, I'm not sure how well you can see that, but they're actually embedded already in there, threaded in. Okay, so that's that part right there. And then we've got, of course, we've got the glow plug, and then we've got the nuts here that screw onto the threads here to hold our ground wire on. These are just the same nuts that are from a lamp. The brass nipple on a lamp, that's the same threaded nut. We've got a wire connector, 3/8 inch hole in the middle that will slide over the top of this and sandwich between the two nuts, such as that, and then the black ground wire connects into here. And we've got a 14 to 16 gauge bullet connector, which connects onto here on the end of the glow plug, and you connect your white positive wire. So we're going to do that. We're going to assemble this all, and I will show you how it looks all together and assembled.
He's not here for us.
Doesn't spin. Nice and tight.